So we're trying to make an apple pie in our pizza oven. Robert is cutting the apples and I'm mixing a dough. No, a filling kind of. So I put in 1 egg, then cream. I actually wanted sour cream, but all the stores, they don't have anything like it, which is a pity. So we have cream, egg. Now we put 3 tablespoons of flour. It, and also a tiny bit of sugar. Because it's going to be a sweet pie. So just a little bit of sugar. That's it. And now we fill that up with milk.
Does it work vegan without milk?
Yes, it does.
What do you use?
It's totally not vegan now because it has an egg and cream and milk in it. But you can make vegan pie, apple pie. Then it goes with like vegan cream, which I'm pretty sure they will not have here either. Never seen vegan stuff actually.
True.
They don't really have like vegan alternatives for that stuff. Vegan cream, and then like instead of the egg you would put like this vanilla pudding powder.
Oh yeah, right.
Yes. Also ends up really nice. Being really nice. So that's the filling. And Robert is preparing the apples over here. Apples. Nice and thin. And next up we put them onto the dough. See you in a second.
The trusty pizza oven is here. We're gonna try and add this stuff directly into it. We cheated a bit. We bought store-bought dough for the base of the apple pie. And I think we're just gonna try and probably make it as wide as a pizza and a bit flatter.
So the size would
Oh, perfect.
almost perfect match.
Great. Not entirely round, looks like. Do we have nuts?
No.
Shame.
Do we? Yeah, it's a shame. We could like cut some whole nuts. Some almonds.
Too much work. Oh no, we do have a grinder. We could
Yeah.
grind some almonds for the base. Yeah, that's nice. We're grinding almonds.
Huset ist nicht so ranzig.
Yeah. This boat came with a lot of kitchen tools. Stick.
Oh no.
Cup.
Wrong. Do we have almonds?
Not sure. We have cashews. We might not have almonds actually. Actually we don't. We didn't buy any. Pecan nuts? Or wheat?
What is that in the cashew?
That looks like cashews. Those we brought. No, this is not pecan nuts. This is this weird mix. Where does this come from? Has this lived on the boat now for?
No, I brought that.
Okay, but we brought pecan nuts, didn't we?
Looks like we didn't.
No nuts. Shame.
This? Pumpkin seed? No, really, no.
All right, no nuts.
look, it's gonna be a flat one.
It's gonna be a flat one, yeah.
Otherwise I would put more. I'm not sure if it's that flat, I mean.
Cheater. Nah, that's too much. It can stick to the top.
No, it won't.
If it touches, it's bad. Because as great as this oven is, which it's not cleanable. You can't take the pans out and clean them properly. It's just non-stick and whatever you can do with a brush, with a wipe. Don't you think that's too thick?
No. We should have made like little pieces.
Squares. Yeah.
It's way easier.
Yeah, sorry.
Doesn't look that nice. Let's add a layer here. I mean, 3 apples isn't too much for an apple pie. It's nice apples at least. No?
Yeah, right. Now just adding random apples
No.
onto the nice spread. No. Do you wanna?
I also had a rough time getting here from Italy.
Are those Italian apples?
I know, but there
No
are no
Spanish
Canadian, Canarian.
No Canarian apples either. Apples don't grow here.
Mm-mm.
Too much water. Otherwise, the canaries grow a lot of their own vegetables, which you can oftentimes get, not always, but oftentimes. Tomatoes are sometimes local, usually local.
Tomatoes almost.
Avocados,
Always.
just great.
Avocados.
Salads, interestingly.
Salad. Oranges.
Oranges.
Bananas.
And the
Bananas
greatest
are the
bananas.
best.
Yeah.
You want this?
Yeah, this
With a
one
lot
needs
of
to be-
peel. Okay. Put it
Can
over.
we check if this is too high? Actually, we might have to
I'm more
fold
worried
in.
about
Yeah.
the
All right. Pour the dough.
dough, the filling.
We're not level, huh?
No, we're not level.
Oh.
The wood is leaning towards the front
To the
since
bow.
we are to the bow since we are on the dry.
For some reason, I'm not sure it was in the last month, but now it's
It was always.
definitely slanting
Don't scare
bowers.
me.
Really? Yeah.
Don't scare me, it was always.
So everything rolls into the bow section. We can just maybe cardboard underneath the hot oven. Yeah.
What? That's too
No,
much.
it's level. Too
Is
much?
that level?
Yeah. Yeah, look at the thing flow.
Yeah.
Should we
No.
cut? We cut it a bit. Plop in the holes here so they don't get squished.
No?
Yes. Definitely so.
You're falling to the boat.
Heart attack.
So good.
Yep. Looks good.
I really hope that works out.
Yeah, I'm curious.
There will be a really good use for that oven.
It's a bit too slow for pizza and not hot enough. But maybe for apple pie or Wehe, how we say in Swiss German.
Wehe. Let's go.
Should we try to fold this in? Yeah, we try to fold this in a bit. Huh? This is a very Swiss dish, to be honest. So you're learning some culture while watching this.
It's usually eaten on Fridays.
Is it?
It's not a Friday today, but yeah, it's a Friday thing. Of course.
Really?
Yes. Huh?
I didn't know that.
Of course it is. Seriously. Because people didn't eat meat. So they ate
Cake.
they ate sweet cakes on Fridays. That's it. So we just wait. And hope
Yeah, 20
you will
minutes.
see the result.
See you later.
20 minutes. You're dreaming. It's like 40 minutes.
Einfach laufen lassen. Es bleiben 20 Minuten laufen. Heiß, mach mal nicht.
So we baked the pie for 40 minutes. And
Almost.
look how it looks now. Ta-da.
Oh, it's moving.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it looks brown underneath. Could be a bit more brown on top.
It's not going to get brown.
I don't think it will. Yeah. I think we're golden.
Let's take it.
Okay.
Let me see
Here?
the roof.
Mm.